Welcome back to Easy Learning. Today I will show you how to quickly separate the day, month and year from a date in Excel. Let's get started. To extract the day from a date, simply use this formula. Equal sign day, select the cell B2. This will give you the day from the date in cell B2. Next, to get the month, use this formula. Equal sign month, select the cell B2. This will return the month of the date in cell B2. Finally, to separate the year, type equal sign year, select the cell B2 to pull the year from the date. And there you have it. Separating day, month and year from a date in Excel is that simple. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Easy Learning for more Excel tips. Thank you.